Today I'm doing a smudged Kohl look, which is easy and very effective. Just prime your face with a serum or whatever you need to that suits you. This video is mainly about the eye makeup, but I'll just take you through my whole makeup. Anyway, once you've primed your face, massage it in well, whatever product you're using. Apply a lip balm for sure. Go right in with your concealer because we're going to be sticking to powder foundation, and make sure you blend it well. Sometimes I use a setting spray, it helps a lot. Then I'm going in with my powder foundation and just touching up my face wherever required. That is the way not to layer much. Take a soft brush and a neutral eyeshadow and contour your eyes. Take it up till your crease line, and if you have hooded eyes, go higher above and just shade a little bit on the lower lash line as well. Set your eyebrows with a gel so that it stays in place. Take a shimmery eyeshadow. It could be a champagne shade, a gold shade, a silver shade, and just take some of it on your finger and dab it on the top of your eyelid. Blend it really well. Then touch up the crease line with your neutral shade so it doesn't come onto the pale shade. Take a black kohl and apply it simply on your waterline. Next step, smudge it out with a flat smudge brush. Considering this is a dramatic Kajal look, I'm going to take a really thick smudge brush and a dark brown eyeshadow and smudge further. This is going to give you a smoky look and it's going to be quite effective. It looks really bright in this light, but when the light's toned down, it looks nice. See the difference? Also remember, it's about what suits you. If you want to keep the smudge line thinner, just use a thinner smudge brush. Definitely use a good mascara to complete your eye makeup. Line and fill out your lips with a nude lip liner. And then use a darker lip liner because I'm going to be using a nude shade. So make sure you use the darker lip liner to also contour your lips a little bit. Complete your makeup with a blush of your choice. If you have oily skin, go for a powder blush. I have dry skin, so I'm using a cream blush. Touch up your powder foundation on the sun-kissed parts of your face and wherever required, and your makeup is done. Hope you can try this eye makeup. It's really easy and it's really effective. Till next time.